Okay, so I got the fuel system done. Here is the pulse port. Goes to the pulse pump. Here's the fuel out. Goes to this filter. Goes around to this tube. Gets pumped, comes out, and it gets pushed up into the carb. So it's a drain line. There's the spill line. So all the fuel system is done on this. So that is where we're at. Alright, so one other note too, I did finish up my handlebar setup. So here's how I did the cables. They're all push connect. So I can remove them really quickly. But yeah, nothing zip tied or anything on this, but that's how I did the cable management.